Indicators. If you're a beginner, you can get this indicator that tells you we are buying here or we're selling here. It will give you recommended lot size, recommended stop loss, and recommended take profit. Then you will get the signal quality. If you are an advanced trader, you will use the indicator to confirm an entry. You will use the indicators to confirm an entry, identify market structure, know where we are buying, where we are selling, understand the market sessions as to are you trading the London if you're trading currencies, are you trading the New York, or you're trading the Asian session. If you are a pro trader, you can use the indicators to filter bad signals so that you can actually make sure that you get the best signal, and you're able to make profit and stay profitable. Now, these are the three indicators that I share for free. So where do you get them? How to use them? How to actually even plug them on your personal computer? Very simple. If you don't have a trading account, just follow 5 simple steps. Go to YouTube. First thing first. No, not first. Please make sure that you download MetaTrader 5, then, or you MetaTrader 4 if you prefer MetaTrader 4, but I highly recommend MetaTrader 5. If you don't have a trading account, you're a baby beginner. Step number 2, you need to go to YouTube, subscribe to MetaTrader, and go to videos, watch the tutorial how to open a trading account. You can press on bio here, and these are the brokers that I use. So we have the broker for Versus 5 and more. This is the broker that I use most of the time. You open a trading account, you verify the account by submitting a proof of ID and also proof of address. Then once you have the trading account, you need to connect it to MetaTrader 5. However, now, in order for you to use these indicators, you need to have a personal computer. So if you don't have a personal computer, I will actually share by the end of this tutorial the indicator that you can use to confirm whether you're buying or selling. But then these indicators I've programmed myself, so they have the knowledge as to entry logic, analysis, so they do most of the work, all right? So I recommend that you get a personal computer. So once you've actually connected your trading account to MetaTrader 5 on your personal computer, then step number 3 is understanding risk management, rules of the game, right? Learning how the game is played so that you don't get played. Step number 4, analysis, which is why we have to get these tools, these indicators. And step number 5, deposit and withdrawal method. It's super simple, super easy to actually do your deposit and withdrawal. Now, getting these trading indicators, what I recommend is that you actually visit our website, MetaTrader.com, or you can actually go to YouTube. I've provided the links there. All right. There are many traders who are requesting to join this group. So once you actually request to join this group, you actually text me as to whether I want to join this group. And there's some questions that I'll ask you, because I don't want traders who are not ready to trade the market, and they're just going to, it's not going to actually assist you if you are going to if you're not ready. So there's some questions that I'll ask you before I add you in the group. That's it. Now, these are the indicators that I've shared for free. So what you will do, you'll connect your WhatsApp, or you link your WhatsApp. You can even send me your email. I can forward you the indicators. But then once you've joined the group, now once you've downloaded this, or once you've connected, to connect the account is super simple. You connect it to your WhatsApp, and once you've connected it to your WhatsApp on your personal computer, you will actually download the files just like this. Download here, download here, download here, and once you've downloaded, you will actually be able to see them here. So all that you have to do is just press this indicator, or you can go to the folder where you've downloaded them. Okay, if you press, let's say you press this indicator, automatically it will open your MetaTrader 5 on your personal computer. Then you can say yes. All right. Right now, I have the indicators added already. I have the indicators added already. So if you want to add them manually, you can do that by actually, once you've downloaded them, you'll go to where you've downloaded them, okay, the folder. Then what you do here, you just right click, or you can click all of them like this. Then you right click, you copy them. Once you've copied them, you cancel, right? You open your MetaTrader 5 platform. You double tap and open MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you've opened it, and it shows up like this. Then you go to File. Now you go to Open Data folder. When you go to Open Data folder, you will go to MQL5, and then you press there. Then you go to Indicators, and now these are the indicators that we have over here. And then you can tell what you can paste them here. All right, you can paste them here, or you can create a new folder. It's up to you if you want to do so. So let's create a new folder. Name it Boza Trader, just like that. We right click here, then we paste the indicators here. You see, we have them here. Then we cancel. We don't close MetaTrader 5. All that we have to do is actually what? Right click and go to refresh. You can right click anything here. You can right click indicators there, and then you go to refresh. Then you see the folder Boza Trader there. You open it, you see these are the indicators that we have. Now, adding these indicators is very simple. We go to view so that we can add a new chart. We go to market watch. Market watch, we see this chart, or we see these assets. We right click, let's say we right click for 2025, and then we press chart window. Now we see this, right? So what we do now, we go to the indicators here under the folder Boza Trader. We double tap, right? We press 2 times, or let me cancel again. We can right click like this, and then we say attach to chart. We can do that. So we have many options to actually do add the indicator, and then we say attach to chart, and then we say allow modification of signal settings. We don't change anything on inputs, colors, visualization. We don't change anything. We keep it like that, and then we press OK. Now we have the indicator like this. Then time frame, we change to M15 time frame. Then we can press this so that we can see the signals that we get of a sell. The market goes in that way, we make profit. You have your recommended take profit, recommended stop loss, and you have your recommended lot size, signal quality. If it's 10 out of 10, which is good, higher, like more, you can trade with a higher lot size. So that's how simple it is to actually plug the indicator. But you cannot add it on your MetaTrader 5 mobile device. So you can actually go to chart again. Maybe let's say we want to add, let's say we add gold. We press chart. We right click on gold. We press chart. Then we want to add the sessions. We press here. We double tap, and then we press allow modification. We press OK. Then we see the what? The sessions. We can go to 15 minutes time frame to see the sessions in a much better way. Then they will load in this way. And then we can also add another chart again. We can add gold versus euro, press chart, and we can add the market structure. We right click, or we can just double tap and hold, and then move it to the right. Double tap and hold. This is another option for you to actually plug the indicator. We press allow modification. We press OK. Now we have the market structure indicator that identifies the high and low prices. We can go to 15M time frame. We'll be able to see the lower prices, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. And this is how you can be able to plug the indicator. It is that simple, not that difficult. So if you have any questions as to, I want to actually start using these indicators, where do I start? These indicators, if you're a beginner, you can actually use this one. It will show you when to buy, when to sell. You can be able to take your sell entries and take your buy entries in the meantime while you're learning. But then you need to use your personal computer. So some of the trade will be loss, some of the trade will be a win. So you will actually practice more and learn more as to whether we are actually buying or we are selling, all right? So when time goes on, you have to actually understand what you can add also what they call market structure, all right? So you can press allow here, press OK. Then you have your market structure. Now, this is when you actually become an advanced trader. You will move from a beginner level to amateur to advanced to pro. Then you're able to know when to buy, when to sell. You will know everything, all right? Now, as I've mentioned, as when we're trading as beginners, we have several ways for us to actually trade the market. You can trade using chart patterns such as an M for selling or a W for buying. You buy here. So the indicator will also assist you to know your resistance area above, your support area below. The indicator will actually assist you to also pinpoint the right higher prices and lower prices if you're trying to connect the higher prices and lower prices when you get to be an advanced trader. Now, as a pro trader, you will use these higher prices. Automatically you will know, but they will also assist you to actually make it simpler for you to just mark or draw or identify lower prices and higher prices. So it is that simple. So if you have any questions as to want to use this indicator, I recommend that please make sure that you get your personal computer. If you don't have, what I recommend as a beginner, it's you actually open your MetaTrader 5. These are the platforms. I shared them on the group for free for traders to actually start using them. What you can do, you can go to MT5, and we go to chart. This is a demo account, by the way, for practices. All right, so don't actually think this is a real account and all that. So if you go to codes, all right, we go to codes and we go to any asset of our choice. As a beginner, I recommend that you start trading gold. As an amateur trader, you can move to the stocks, which is we're talking about the Nasdaq and all that. And as an advanced trader, you can shift to trade the indexes such as the Voltage 75, Voltage 75 1S, and all the current the indexes that we trade here. As a pro trader, you can trade. You get to be selective, right? You select the best assets, right? And I trust you understand. So if for those who are maybe confused as to how to even get to MetaTrader 5, on our channel, I've shared a tutorial. I've shared a tutorial on videos, and this is the tutorial, MetaTrader 5, how to use MetaTrader 5 on your personal computer, desktop, full tutorial for beginners. So watch the tutorial so that you understand how to use MetaTrader 5. And once you've actually managed to use MetaTrader 5, then as a trader, as I've mentioned, that I'll share an indicator. You go to chart, all right? This is the indicator. So let's go to F icon, delete this, all right, and then go back. All right, I want to share this as a beginner. You will go to M15 if you don't have personal computer, and one, I recommend that you join the premium group so that you can get daily market direction, not only the indicators. Two, this is the strategy that I will share, but then there's so many tutorials that I share on the channel, so please make sure that you watch them. But here, I want you just to make sure that you get to understand. As I've mentioned, you're looking for M's and W's, and the asset is not an issue. Let's zoom in here. Even though our W is not that very clear, but this is the W that we're talking about for buying. So we buy here. But then what will assist you more is that for you to filter bad signals and good signals is that you need to use, let's actually zoom in here. There's another M. This is an M. You need to use this indicator to filter the signals so that you actually get to understand what you need to do. All right. Let's actually look for another asset, any asset of our choice. We can prefer. We're going to go to chart. As a beginner, let's zoom in. All right. This is an M. I trust everybody can see. This is an M, all right? So where do you confirm the entry? You confirm the entry here because you're connecting two horizontal lines, or you can use a rectangle box to connect these higher prices, right? You connect this line. Now, you confirm the entry here by using what? By using the indicator Ichimoku. So you go to the F icon here, all right? Then you go to main chart, then you go to Ichimoku, and you make sure that this check is filled. You press save, you go back. Now, The logic of Ichimoku is that the color of this indicator, when the chart is below, goes below, it's a sell. When it goes above, it's a buy. Super simple. So if you go to M1, that's how we confirm the entry. But before we go to M1, let's actually add a horizontal line here, connecting this first leg of an M to this one here. So we want to confirm the entry there. So let's go to M1 and let's go to M1, and then we're M1 right now. We zoom in, and this is what we have. The chart gets inside our line or touches our line, which is activates the search for confirmation. Then after that, it's actually pushing down a red candlestick close below the color here of this indicator. We take a sell, stop loss goes above this color thing. That's how we actually will be able to know whether we are buying or we are selling. If you have any questions, you let me know. So if you are buying, it's the opposite. So I trust you understand. And for stop loss, you put it above this color thing here. Here, you put it above there. Then that's how you add your indicators. Super simple. And this is not that difficult. Once you have your indicators, if you are offline or if you've closed your laptop or turn off your PC, personal computer, it might be challenging because now you no longer have access to these signals. But there is a way which we call a VPS, all right? And we'll have another tutorial for that so that you can learn about VPS. And I trust you understand. If you have any questions, you will let me know in the comment section below, and make sure that you share this tutorial with other fellow traders out there. We have this, what you call VPS. So the indicator will run 24/7, will give you signals on your mobile device. All right, if you have your personal computer, this is the only way. But then you will need to actually pay because this they charge. But if you don't want to pay, I've already paid for traders. So I share daily market direction on the group for free. So you don't have to pay anything. And the only thing that you have to do is just execute trades. And that's all. So if you have any questions, you let me know. Stay blessed.